You have a core offer, you have got a lead magnet, but you don't have leads. And without leads, it's like just shouting in an empty void. So today, let's fix this. In our previous video, we talked about how to craft a perfect lead magnet. And in today's video, now we need to put that lead magnet in front of the people so people can see it and buy it. So there are basically two type of audience. There is a warm audience, there is a cold audience. When we talk about warm audience, basically these are the people who gave you permission to contact them. Maybe they have given you their email, they have given you your phone number, maybe they follow you on social media, or maybe you already slide into their DMs. Basically, these are the warm leads and they are interested in what you are about to sell. All you need to do is just keep them warm up. Now here's most entrepreneurs make mistake. They completely ignore their warm audience. All they are looking for is collecting the cold leads, collecting basically those people who don't know about you anything, what you do, what your offer is, and what actually it is. And they end up being broke. So if you are leaving warm audience and completely ignoring them, you are leaving money on the table. Now let's see what actually is a cold audience. Cold audience are basically those people who haven't gave you permission to talk to them. You don't have their phone number, you don't have their email, you don't have their anything, no contact information, nothing. You can basically buy some leads or buy a lead list. From there you can get their contact. Now the good news is that if positioned correctly, your offer, your strategy, you can warm these people up and then you can sell your core offer. But here, what the 90% of entrepreneurs make mistake is that they treat their cold audience as it is their warm audience. Imagine going in the crowd where nobody knows you and shouting, "Hey, buy my course." Bro, they literally don't know your name, what you do, nothing. So why are they gonna buy from you? It means you are not skilled enough. Now, we basically know what is a warm audience, what is a cold audience. Now, how to reach out to them? Basically, there are 4 essential steps you can follow to reach out to these people. Let's talk about the warm audience. For the warm audience, you can go with one-to-one warm outreach. Here you can do the warm cold DMs, call them, email them, anything. Then the second comes one-to-many warm outreach. Here you can post free content, provide free values, give them lead magnets, and you can basically upsell them to your core offer. Now let's talk about the cold audience. When it's about cold audience, you can do one-to-one cold outreach. You can go with cold emails, cold DMs, cold calls, etc. And when it comes to one-to-many cold audience targeting, you can go with the paid ads. Now here is the harsh truth of the reality. If you are not getting enough leads, you are not following any of these 4 core principles properly. Either you lack skill or you are not doing it with enough volume. So basically you are not skilled enough, or maybe there is a problem with both. Now basically you know what the problem is and how to get the leads. Remember one thing, lead doesn't fall from the sky. You need to use the proper strategy and proper tactic to get them so that your calendar fills up every day and you are never sitting idle for the meetings. So now that you know what are the different types of leads and how to get them, in the next video we are going to talk about how to actually fill your calendar with proper mix of cold and warm leads. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Do like, share, or comment. And thank you. See you. Bye bye.